Welcome to Vision Plus and welcome back to this Senior for Mathematics. We are looking at finding the equation of the circle when we are given the endpoints of the diameter. Example 5 says part A has given us points which are endpoints of the diameter of the circle. The points are -4, 9 and 8, -3. So to guide you, sketch a circle, then you draw the diameter, dividing the circle into two halves. Then this point, you can put either this or that. Then you put here -4 and 9. And then this side I put a 8, -3. Then at the center, this is where we have the coordinates of the center AB, which are not given. And for us to get the coordinates of the center, we need to get the midpoint of the endpoints of the diameter. The midpoint is given by x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. Then you come and name these points the way you want. Call this x1, y1, x2, y2. Then we substitute in this formula. X1 is 8 plus x2 is -4 divided by 2, y1 is -3 plus y2 is 9 divided by 2. Then you press the calculator, add and divide by 2. This means we shall have 8 plus -4 divided by 2. I'm getting 2, -3 plus 9 divided by 2. I'm getting 3. So the center in this case is 2 and 3. After getting the coordinates of the center, we need to find the radius so that we can write the equation. So for the radius, to make it work easier, get the coordinates of the center, which is 2, 3, and any other point, either this or this. Let me take this. So if I take this, it becomes our radius r, -4 and 9. Then we name them. This is x1, y1, x2, y2, and vice versa. So we're going to find radius, which is the distance between these 2 points, the center and this other point. In some cases, in some books, you find this is point A, point B. You can name the points using letters. Point A, B, C, K, D. Please be flexible and adapt. Now the radius given by the square root. This is the length between 2 points. Changing x squared plus changing y squared. We substitute. X2 is -4 minus x1 is 2 squared plus y2 is 9 minus y1 3 squared. Then you press the calculator and say therefore my radius in this case becomes -4 minus 2 squared plus 9 minus 3 squared, 72. I'm getting root of 72 units. That is the radius. So knowing the radius and the coordinates of the center, you can find the equation. So I'm going to use the factorized form, which is given in that format. So we substitute for A, B, and R. A is 2, so that is x minus 2 squared plus y minus b is 3 squared equals to r squared is 72. And this is the solution to part A. Please stop the video and try out part B. And welcome back. To solve part B, you say the endpoints given us 1 out of 3 and -5 out of 2, and the other endpoint is 13 out of 3, 7 out of 2. Scale the circle to guide you, and you put my diameter in that manner. And let me say this point is 1 out of 3 and -5 out of 2. This point. This other point is 13 out of 3 and 7 out of 2. The center here gives us the coordinate A and B. That is the midpoint. So for us to get the center, we need to get the midpoint of the endpoints of the diameter. And we know that the midpoint M is given by x1 plus x2 divided by 2 plus comma y1 plus y2 out of 2. Then we substitute. You come and then points. Call this 1, call this 1, call this x2, this is y2. What is x1? 1 out of 3 plus y2, 13 out of 3. But we are dividing that sum by 2, comma. y1, negative 5 out of 2 plus y2, 7 out of 2. But we are dividing that sum by 2. Then you press the calculator. 1 divided by 3 plus 13 divided by 3. I'm getting 14 out of 3. That is just by adding them. Yes. But we are dividing them by 2. I'm getting 7 out of 3. 7 out of 3. Let me press again. 1 divided by 3 plus 13 divided by 3 divided by 2. Yes. And then for this side, it is negative 5 divided by 2 plus 7 divided by 2 divided by 2. I'm getting a half here. Because simply is 3.5 minus 2.5 divided by 2. Yes, I'm getting a half. So the center is therefore 7 out of 3 and a half. Here you can even go on and apply the laws of division of fractions. But calculator is quicker. After getting the center, now we are left with the radius to find the equation. So to find the radius, we use the coordinates of the center to save your time, which are 7 out of 3 and a half and any other point, either this or that. So let me use 13, either this or this, out of 3 and 7 out of 2. I've chosen that point. This becomes my x1, y1, x2, y2. And now we know that the radius now becomes the distance between these 2 points, the center and that point. And the formula for any distance between 2 points is given in this manner, squared. Then we substitute. What is x2? x2 is 13 out of 3 minus x1, 7 out of 3, but we are squaring it, plus y2, 7 out of 2 minus a half. We are squaring it. Then you press the calculator. 13 divided by 3 minus 7 divided by 3. And then you square. I'm getting 4. So 4 plus, okay, let me first write 4 here, plus 7 divided by 2 minus 1 divided by 2 squared. I'm getting 9. I'm getting 9. Because 3.5 minus 0.5 squared is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So the radius is root of 13 units. After getting the radius and you have the center, you can find the equation in any way you want. I'm using the factorized form, equals to ri squared. Substitute for x. Substitute for x. We shall have x minus x. 7 out of 3 squared plus y minus b. B is a half squared equals to r squared 13. So this is the solution to part B, and this is the overall solution to example 5.